welcome to the channel. My name is Patrick. Today, we're gonna be taking a look at Volvo 240 snow chains. So the Volvo 240 is very, very good in snow and winter conditions. Sometimes you need a little extra grip, however. All right, for convenience, we're just gonna put the wagon up on the hoist today to put the snow chains on. That way we can see how they work out in the yard. Okay, so it seems like it would probably be a little more difficult to do this in blizzard conditions or conditions that you would need to use chains. Let's say on the side of the road or stuck in a ditch or something. But for today, they're pretty easy to put on. You just get them around the tire, straighten them out a little bit, and then lock them into place using these kind of cool, I don't know, what look like old Swedish clips. All right, even on a hoist, they are a little tricky to get into the clips to lock them into place. All right, now that we did one, let's do the other side. Hopefully it'll go a little faster. All right, a couple minutes later, we have them on, nice and secure. Volvo 240 snow chains work great. Hey, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next episode.